welcome back to my channel. It's your millennial mom, Juvy. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to make glutinous rice balls or Bilo Bilo. First ingredient we need is a cup of glutinous rice flour. Just put it into a bowl and then a cup of water. And then just gradually add it into our glutinous rice flour and mix it until we reach the right consistency. Just halo-halo lang, halo-halo-halo lang, halo-halo lang, halo-halo-halo lang, ganun. Just keep on adding some water. And just keep halo-halo lang, halo-halo-halo lang, halo-halo lang, halo-halo-halo lang until we reach the right consistency like this. And then, pag na-reach na natin yung ganyang consistency niya, pwede na natin siyang bilog-bilogin gaya ng pangbibilog niya sa'yo. This mixture will make about 20 to 25 bilo-bilos depending sa size ng pagbilog mo. G na G sa pagbilog? Sige, bola na lang. Bola-bola, gaya ng pambobola niya rin sa'yo. Wala na akong masabi, basta magbilog-bilog lang kayo dyan. Tapos kung gusto nyo mas marami, magdagdag lang kayo ng mixture. Finish! Ayan, pwede nyo na siyang gawing ginataang bilo-bilo or ihalo sa ginataang halo-halo. Pwede din itong gawing palitaw. Katulad din niya. Nananahimik ang buhay mo, biglang lilitaw para manggulo. Ayan, this will be the end of this video. I hope you learned something from this and sana na-entertain ko kayo. If yes, please like this video, leave any comment down below, and please subscribe if you haven't yet already. See you in my next video. Goodbye!